He doesn't even know. But amongst you, who call it assembly, but Lanyaga, I'm here to say, your past didn't stick in you. Come and tell me, only on 2025, I'll never tell you. Why I'm looking on Nuga, 2025, now God was come to take up. Oh, that's Kupelisa. Emily, City Gas fell on that prayer. I'm Nuki. Nonsense. And the information I don't know. On the time I'm not. There was no leader to get in the cool. I want to drag you by force. And the time not Funzuchaka. Nazangobozam. As Nokia put the sugar corn. My past didn't stick. Nabaku Teto and Doning away. God to say Lapa Nangoku. But your past didn't stick on you. It's not because of a child and a grown young. Because only look on now. And the fully clock is saying, God, I will take away too. Could take away and Zakasi Pumem Liluini. Long at Tinga is Batim said to the Betunana. Come and thank your God. Come and thank your God. Otem Liluini. When's the end of Yako? Ipuminga Chang. I was John and now was Nugis. Ooh, I can't do it. Umgenem Liluini. Yes, asizeni kuThixo sithi usikhuphile emlilweni kwaye ipast yethu ayithanga ncakude ikwalithuba eli uba ufuna ukwamkela uYesu uze apha ngaphambili uzomvuma ezidlangalaleni ukuze akunika amandla ngoba emlilweni ungathi noba ungenile emlilweni noba uphuma impahla zakho singatshaya reflection ukhumbula unyaka ophelileyo uzijonge ngoku You were written off last year. Many things were said last year. And yes, we said many things also. But we are now before God to give a testimony about God. Impahla zethu azilekanga last year. How cinga wena uthandaze uThixo. Yena uThixo ayivamile. Wona umthandazo uThixo waziyo. Umthandazo wokubekezela imini yakho. Wona umthandazo uThixo waziyo. Nabathixo abantwana bakho.